Ndewo, and welcome to another edition of Igbo Ndioma. Today we'll be looking at Igbo alphabet, that is ABIDII IGBO. ABIDII IGBO. So we'll be looking at the ABIDII IGBO, that's the Igbo alphabet, the upper and the lower case. So I'll be reading them out so that you will learn how each letter is pronounced. A, B, G, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ny, Nwy, Ny, O, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. So in our next edition, I'll be elaborating on this. So I'll list each alphabet and I'll list words. Maybe I'll give you examples of like 3 or 4 words that start with the alphabet in our next edition. So tune in to learn more. Okay, so next we'll be looking at vowels, Igbo vowels. That's Oda Ume Igbo. So same as in English, we have the A group and the E group. So Otu A na Otu E. So the A group, that's Otu A, they are A, E, O, O, A, E, O, O. So I listed just one example each. So A as in aha, E as in Igba. So aha is name, aha. Igba is drum, Igba. O as in Odima, which means fine. Odima. Ụtụtụ ọma, as in ụtụtụ ọma, which means good morning. Then we have the air group, otu air, the air group. So they are e, o, u. So I also listed an example of letters that starts with each air group. So as in ekele, which is greetings. Ekele. Ite. As in ite, that is pot. Ite. Then we have otu. Otu is one. Otu. And we have u as in ude, that's cream. Ude. Ude. So, and next we have the one that we call Odampi. So they are the Igbo alphabet that comes in pairs. You can see that. So they are called Odampi. We don't have that in English alphabet. So, and we have 9 of them. So the first one is pronounced as ch, ch, ch. So example of words that has ch in them is oche, that is chair, chukwu, which means God. So ch, oche, chukwu. Then we have be, be. So we have iba, that's drum. We have ibe, that is box, and we have Igbo too. So, and that is Igbo. So, and we have after we have re. So re, example of words that contains re is barara, so which means forgive or pardon. Barara, re, barara. Then we have owl. Owl is alligator. Owl. We also have gwe, gwe, as in agua. Agua means bean, beans. Agua, agua. Then we have egu, that's to play or to dance. Egu. Also we have pe, pe, as in apa. Apa is bag in Igbo. And we have opa. Opa is a kind of food, Igbo food. It's made out of like a nut. Okay, so pa, apa, opa. We also have kwe. Aqua, it means to cry. Kwa, aqua. And we have oku, that's to speak, what I'm doing exactly. Kwe, aqua, oku. We also have nwe. So we have nwe as in nwanye, that's a girl, a female. Nwoke, that's male. Nwe, nwanye, nwoke. We also have nyi, nyi for anya, that's eyes. Nyi, anyi, that's we. Nyi, anya, anyi. We also have she, she. So example, isha, isha means crayfish. She, isha. And there's also asha. Asha is a kind of bird, I think a parrot. Yeah. So she, isha, and asha. And that will be it for today. Remember, I told you to tune in, subscribe, and like our video so that you get notification when next we post our videos. As I said, in our next edition, I will elaborate on the Igbo alphabet. I'll list words, on each letter, I'll list 2 or 3 words that begins with a letter, just to help us learn how they are pronounced, because they are slightly different from English pronunciation. Daalụnụ n'isonye anyị na ọgbakọ nke ụbọchị nke tata. Thank you for joining in, and please like our videos and subscribe. Kachifo.